Hello everyone, we are final year students of Mechanical Engineering Vailtech. This video will deliver the final year project presentation throughput time reduction in post painting assembly carried out at Tractors and Farm Equipments TAFE under the external guidance of Mr. Parasaktivel, Assistant Manager TAFE Madurai, and internal guidance of Mr. N. Balaji, Assistant Professor Vailtech. Throughput time is a time required to complete a raw material into a completed part as customer required. That is the time between a start of an assembly and end of an assembly. Generally, throughput time consists of processing time, queue time, move time, and inspection time, out of which the processing time is the only value added time which cannot be eliminated to reduce throughput time. Hence, this project focuses on eliminating queue time, move time, and inspection time, which were nothing but a non-value added time. Since throughput time is function of all the times mentioned above, reducing any one of the time will reduce the throughput time. By reducing throughput time, one can achieve series of advantages like increase in production flow, meeting customer demands, etc. Six Sigma technique has been used for effective improvement. Six Sigma is a TQM technique, which means measure of quality that strives for near perfection. Define, measure, analyze, improve, and control were the five main phases of the Six Sigma. Generally, the goals of the improvement activity will be defined in the define phase. The present system will be measured in the measure phase. The gap between the present system and the desired goal will be analyzed in the analyze phase. And these gap will be reduced by implemental action in the improve phase. And the new implemental action will be controlled in the control phase. As reduction in throughput time have series of advantages like increased production flow, meeting customer demands, on-time delivery, customer satisfaction, and flexibility. This project has more business opportunity. Customer requirement. TAFE is one of the leading manufacturers of tractors, pulling a market demand of nearly 5,000 tractors per month, and its takt time can be calculated on the basis of market demand to the available time. Available time is nothing but the time actually available to do the work, and market demand is a customer requirement. Based on this relation, the takt time has been calculated as 211 seconds. Takt time is nothing but setting a phase to one production flow. Before starting a measure phase, the following assumptions have to be made. Line stoppage is 0, takt time is 211 seconds, fixed conveyor length and fixed conveyor pitch, and the following mix-up ratio. TAFE are producing 300 varieties of tractors which were briefly classified into domestic EEM, Maga Samrat, HHP, Aggo and Turkey. In a production line, if 100 tractors were produced per shift, under 46 tractors will come under domestic model, 6 under EEM, 10 under Maga Samrat, 11 under IRHP, 15 under Aggo and 12 under Turkey model. Measure phase. As already said, there were more than 300 varieties of tractors manufactured in TAFE, and these varieties are mainly grouped under 6 models: domestic, EEM, Maga Samrat, IRHP, Aggo and Turkey. And all these throughput times have been calculated and charted here, and the blue one here is a throughput time and the red line here is a ratio time. Ratio time is calculated on the basis of the mix-up ratio, and the ratio time will give you the average time taken per tractor. Post painting assembly cell 5 comprises of 15 stages from stage 1 to stage 15. Painted chassis will enter in stage 1, where all the operations will be added up in each stages, and a complete tractor will be obtained at the end of stage 15. And this chart represents the domestic stage-wise throughput time. In stage 1, the time actually taken, stage 2, stage 3, similarly for all the stages. Similarly, this was calculated for the EEM model, stage-wise throughput time for every stages from stage 1 to stage 15. Similarly, this chart represents the stage-wise throughput time for Maga Samrat model, and this one is for IRHP model, stage-wise throughput time. And this one is for AGO, stage wise throughput time. AGO is nothing but an export model. Turkey also comes under the export model. Stage wise throughput time has been charted here. And this is the stage wise throughput time based on the mix up ratio as mentioned earlier, and the stage wise timing have been listed down here, and adding all these time will give you a throughput time for single tractor. The next step in the measure phase is to calculate the manpower requirement. The manpower required can be calculated by this ratio, stage time to the takt time. As already mentioned, the post-spinning assembly cell 5 is mainly classified into 15 stages. Each stage has its own throughput time, and sum of all these throughput time will give you the overall throughput time. And this is the stage time as we found through the chart and the stages. This is a takt time, and by dividing this stage time with this takt time will give you the number of operators required, and this is the actual operator involved in that stage, respective stage. Similarly, for all the 15 stages, operators required and operators involved have been calculated, and for the throughput time, overall throughput time 19,174 seconds divided by the takt time will give you the total number of operators required and total number of operators involved. The main idea of this project is to reduce the throughput time. So we have to find out the various causes which increases the throughput time, and the causes may be by man type, machine, material, measurement, or by method. And these were the causes through men, and these were the causes through machine, and these are the causes through material, measurement, and method. All these causes will lead to increase in throughput time. Nearly 30 causes have been identified which increases the throughput time, out of which 6 causes were the main causes which increasing the throughput time, and these 6 causes have been listed here. The present assembly line is time consuming, takt time is less than assembly time, man dependent process, lack of assembly facility, manual handling which causes operator fatigue, and improper line balancing. And we are now moving into analyze phase. From the manpower calculation table, it is clear that operators were in little excess in all the stages. Hence, the first thing in analyze phase is to analyze about the operators. The first chart indicates the operator time study for the stage 1, where 10 number of operators were involved in assembling the tractor, and this blue one will indicate the time spent by each operators, and this red line is a takt time, and one who working over this takt time will be considered as an overload operator, and one who is working very less to this takt time will be considered as a low load operator. Similarly, we have analyzed for every stages. This is for stage 2, and this is stage 3, where there are two members working over this takt time, and 2 overloaded and 2 low loaded, and one very balanced operator. Similarly, this one is for stage 4, this one is for stage 5, and this chart represents operator time study of stage 6, and this one is for stage 7 and stage 8. This one is for stage 9, stage 10, stage 11, and this is stage 12. This one is for stage 13. This one is for stage 14 and stage 15. From this analysis, it is clear that operator were not balanced in all the stages. Hence, line balancing should be implemented to balance the work among the operators and to eliminate excess number of operators. This table indicates the data inferred from the operator study. Throughput time is 194 seconds, and takt time is 211 seconds. Throughput time to the takt time will give you number of operators required, and actually number of operators involved were 104 operators, and the overloaded operator, the one who worked over the takt time, is 42, and balanced operator, the one who worked very near it to takt time, 211 seconds, were 3 members, and the low load operators were 59. QuickWin is a Six Sigma tool used to show some improvements before the completion of a project. In this project, the QuickWin is achieved through line balancing. Through line balancing, the works were divided equally among the operators, and excess number of operators have been. These two charts indicating line balancing for stage 1. It's actual and it is a proposal. Actually, 10 number of operators have been involved in assembling a tractor, where only 9 number of operators is required based on the cycle time. In proposal 1, initially all the overloaded works have been shared among the workers, and in second proposal, operator has been eliminated and his work have been divided among the workers. Hence, a line is balanced and all the workers are working with nearly same amount of cycle time. This chart indicating the line balancing for stage 2. No overloaded operators have been found. Hence, excess number of operators have been reduced and their work have been equally divided among the workers. Similarly, this one is for stage 3, where 2 operators have been eliminated and the work were balanced. These two charts indicate for stage 4, where overloaded work have been balanced and then extra workers time have been balanced among the workers, and 3 operators have been eliminated. Similarly, this one is for stage 5, where 5 operators have been eliminated. This one is for stage 6, where 1 operator have been eliminated. So for stage 7, like similarly we have calculated to stage 15. By implementing line balancing, the manpower utilization has been increased by 9%. Utilization is generally the ratio of actual time to the available time. Actual time is nothing but the takt time, 19,174 seconds, and available time is a product of takt time and operators available. Before line balancing, total number of operators involved were 104, and the available time before line balancing is the product of takt time into operators involved, 104. Hence, ratio of actual time to the available time will gives 87%. And after line balancing, by reducing the 10 number of operators, the available time is product of operators after line balanced and takt time. Hence, the ratio of actual time to the available time will gives 96%, which means 9% increased in utilization. TAFE being and lean manufacturers will have to face if there was any change in demand. For the current mix-up ratio, which was calculated based on the current demand, all the stage times were below the takt times after achieved line balancing. Hence, there were no bottleneck identified. In case if the demand has been increased for export models, that is domestic is to EEM is to Magasamrat is to HHP is to AGO is to Turkey, has been increased, then the bottleneck have been identified in the following stages: stage 1, stage 5, stage 6, and stage 12. And the operations which taking more time in these stages have to be identified. And in stage 1, is oil draining process is man dependency and taking more time. Similarly, in stage 4, main harness cable connection taking more time than takt time. In stage 5, radiator assembly takes more time since no proper handling device have been installed. In stage 6, the fender subassembly and main assembly taking more time, where frequent line stoppages occurred. It's because of no fixture is provided for subassembly. And in stage 12, 2 operations have been identified. First one is bonnet subassembly, where no proper layout and proper arrangements have been made. And second one is air cleaner oil filling, where no proper measuring unit have been installed. Because of this, more rework is happening in this stage. Improvements are required for all the above operations. In stage 1, we have also identified more non-value added time because of more working distance of the workers. This is because a common bin tray system is provided, where all the components required like screw, nuts, washers have been placed. The workers have to move some distance to collect the required components, and they have to go back again to assemble a component. The image at the right side showing the part kit trolley system. where all the components required can be attached with this trolley and the walking distance of the workers can be saved. The part kitting trolley system is implemented in cell 3. Similar implementation in cell 5 will save some non-value added time of 224 seconds. In stage 12, there was no proper measuring unit for filling oil into the air cleaner system. In case if the oil was filled in excess or very lower to the desired level, the dot inspector will call the worker again for doing rework. In same cell, a similar oil filling system has been implemented for filling oil into the domestic air cleaner system. Implementing the similar system in this station will save this rework time of 420 seconds. As mentioned earlier, there was no proper fixture for subassembling the fender and no proper hoist or handling unit for carrying the fender from subassembly point to main line assembly. For carrying this fender from subassembly to main assembly, totally 4 number of operators have been employed. Hence, providing some hoist handling unit and proper fixture for subassembly will save 522 seconds of non-value added time. And this one is our proposal for fender improvisation. And this green line is a conveyor line, and this one is fender subassembly for RH and fender subassembly for LH. Before implementing this technique, there was no proper fixture and no handling unit to carry the completed subassembled fender into the main station. By providing a fixture for LH here and RH here and handling unit which will carry the finished subassembly product to the main line will saves workers fatigue and also 522 seconds of non-value added time. Still the improvements were under proposal stage and no ways have been standardized. Once the improvements have been proposed and accepted by all the departments, all the drawings, layouts will be distributed to the maintenance department to start the control phase. And the benefits of our project were nearly 10 operators have been eliminated from cell 5, line balance is achieved, manpower utilization is increased by 9%, cycle time of 1166 seconds, nearly 20 minutes have been saved. Changing customer demand can give less impact for proposed model. And this is the status of our project. These are the phases of Six Sigma and the duration of our projects. Thank you. Have a nice day.